Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel, whatever it may be. Today we're going to keep working on this 5.3. So this is the 5.3. Last video I got it back from the machine shop, and we got the cam and the oil pump and heads and oil pan, everything pretty much back together. And I'm going to be putting this in my 84 C10 that I call Krusty. We're getting this thing boost prep. I got the rings gap, got the turbo cam, got my valve springs, done a trunnion upgrade. Those are all in past videos. And today we got to put the push rods and rockers back on. And I'm probably going to try to get a little paint on this thing on the block. We're not going to do a high quality job, but I would like to get a little paint on it. I got some POR engine paint, so we'll be using that. Here's my push rods. They're chrome ollie from Texas Speed, and I got the 7.4. I don't know if y'all can see that. I'm trying to get one out here. I'm gonna put a little assembly lube just on the tip of all of these and put them in here. Alright, I got all my rockers on there. I got some dog hair in there too. Let's get that out of there. But I didn't tighten none of them. I just got them started in the threads, so they're all still loose. That's because I gotta turn the engine over, and I don't want these to be getting pressure on them and ripping out of the threads, because these are aluminum heads. So now we got to get the number one at top dead center. Alright guys, so when I bought my trunnion upgrade, it came with these new rocker bolts, which are Allen head bolts. And as it turns out, I don't have an Allen wrench socket that fits these. The socket that goes on my torque wrench. And I really like to get these torqued to spec because I don't want them falling off. So I guess I'm just gonna take those out and just put the original ones back in it. Now I can go ahead and just torque down the rockers to spec, which is 22 foot-pounds. When you tighten these down, you want to make sure you're on the back side of the cam on the lowest point, so it ain't pushing against your valve, so you don't strip it out. Alright guys, so yeah, this happened. I got all my rockers and push rods in, and I thought I was doing good, but then I noticed that this head gasket was on backwards. I could tell because of this tab here. It tells you the front goes this way. As you can see, the tab on this side is right here hanging out, and it's towards the front of the engine. And then when I seen this tab, it was actually back here towards the back of the engine, so I knew it was on wrong. So I went ahead and took it off, flipped it around. Hopefully we don't have no issues with it. I haven't ran the engine yet, so I don't know. I guess it'll be alright. So I'm just gonna put the head back on, torque it back down, and put my push rods and rockers back in, and be back where I started an hour ago. Alright, now we back to where we started. Got everything back together here. I'm just gonna put my valve covers on, and then we'll start taping this all up and getting ready to put a little paint on the block. Alright, I got it pretty much taped up here, as much as I'm going to do. And I'm just putting some earplugs in all these bolt holes so I don't get paint down in those. And I'm pretty much ready to put a coat of paint on it. Alright guys, there it is. Got the block painted. It's still wet, so I'm going to leave the earplugs in those holes. I didn't paint right here where the water pump gasket goes, but I did paint down below it. Looks better than what it did anyways. I was hoping to get it primed and get the transmission bolted on, but I'm just out of time. I ain't gonna be able to do it this time. But we'll do it next time. I guess that's it for this one. Till next time. See ya!